Hello and welcome. Today we're about to embark on a journey into a world that's often overlooked yet absolutely essential to every flourishing garden. Today we're diving into something fundamental to every thriving garden, the humble earthworm. These small, wriggling creatures might not look like much at first glance, but they play a role that's nothing short of extraordinary. These quiet creatures are the true heroes beneath our feet, tirelessly working to create healthy, vibrant soil. Day and night they tunnel through the earth, breaking down organic matter and mixing nutrients, making the soil richer and more fertile with every movement. Many gardeners focus on what's above ground, leaves, flowers, fruit, but the real magic happens below, in the dark, rich earth. It's here, out of sight, that earthworms transform lifeless dirt into a living, breathing ecosystem. This is the kingdom of the earthworm, nature's plow, as Charles Darwin called them. Their constant burrowing aerates the soil, allowing roots to breathe and water to penetrate deeply. Earthworms are the architects of fertile gardens, constantly improving the ground your plants depend on. Their castings, or worm manure, are packed with nutrients that help plants grow stronger and healthier. A garden teeming with worms is a sign of a healthy, balanced ecosystem. It means your soil is alive, full of beneficial microbes and organic matter. When you see worms in your soil, you know you're on the right track. Their presence is nature's stamp of approval, a sign that your garden is thriving from the ground up. So, let's pull back the curtain on this hidden world and celebrate these incredible creatures. They may be small, but their impact is enormous. We'll explore what they do, why they matter, and how you can encourage more of them to call your garden home. By understanding their needs, you can create an environment where earthworms, and your plants, can truly flourish. With a few simple tricks, you can transform your soil into a paradise for earthworms. Adding organic matter, keeping the soil moist, and avoiding harsh chemicals are just a few ways to help them thrive. In doing so, you'll lay the groundwork for your most beautiful, productive garden ever. Healthy soil means healthier plants, bigger harvests, and a more resilient garden overall. The secret isn't in a bottle or a bag, it's in nurturing the life already there. By caring for your soil's living community, you unlock nature's own recipe for success. Let's discover how earthworms can help your garden truly thrive. Ready to dig in? Let's get started on this underground adventure together. What makes earthworms so indispensable to gardeners? As they tunnel through the soil, they aerate it, creating air pockets that roots need to breathe and grow. Their burrows also improve water drainage, preventing both waterlogging and drought stress. Earthworms are nature's recyclers, consuming decaying matter and turning it into nutrient-rich castings, pure gardening gold. These castings are packed with plant-available nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. As they eat and excrete, worms build soil structure, creating that crumbly, fertile texture gardeners love. Their work results in soil that holds moisture, drains well, and supports strong root growth. Earthworms don't just live in the soil, they actively create it. Every garden needs these tireless workers. Their presence is the foundation of healthy, productive soil. Without them, our gardens would struggle. Let's see what happens when they're missing. Imagine a garden without earthworms. The soil becomes compacted, dense, and lifeless, hard for roots to penetrate, and even harder for water and air to move through. Plants struggle, roots suffocate, and nutrients remain locked away. Water runs off or pools on the surface, leading to erosion or root rot. Organic matter decomposes slowly and the soil loses its vitality. Gardeners in this situation often rely on synthetic fertilizers and heavy machinery, creating a cycle of dependency. A lack of worms is a silent alarm. Your soil's ecosystem is out of balance. It's a call to action. Restore the balance and life will return. By welcoming earthworms back, you breathe life into your garden's foundation. Healthy soil starts with these unsung heroes, so how do we invite them in? If you want to attract more earthworms to your garden, there's a surprisingly simple trick you can try: alfalfa pellets. These little green pellets are a game changer for anyone hoping to boost soil life and fertility. Sold primarily as animal feed, alfalfa is packed with nitrogen, essential vitamins, and a range of minerals. Earthworms are naturally drawn to these nutrients, making alfalfa pellets an irresistible treat for them. To use them, simply sprinkle a light handful around your plants or evenly over a garden bed. You don't need to be precise, just a gentle scattering is enough to get started. Next, water the area well. As the pellets absorb moisture, they begin to break down, releasing a subtle scent and nutrients into the soil. This aroma acts like a dinner bell, drawing earthworms from all around your garden. The concentrated food source encourages worms to stay, breed, and work their magic right where you want them. Over time, you'll notice more earthworm activity and healthier soil structure. As the alfalfa pellets decompose, they also act as a slow-release organic fertilizer, steadily feeding your plants and improving soil health with every passing week. With just one application, you're nourishing both your earthworms and your plants, creating a thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. This method is simple, cost-effective, and requires no special gardening skills. Anyone can do it, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener. All you need to do is scatter the pellets, water them in, and let nature take over. The results speak for themselves: healthier soil, more vigorous plants, and a flourishing worm population. Over time, you'll see your garden transform, with richer soil and happier, more productive plants, all thanks to this easy technique. But alfalfa pellets aren't the only way to support your underground workforce. There's another free, powerful method you can try next. It's as easy as gathering autumn leaves. Let's explore how this simple step can further enrich your garden ecosystem. Alfalfa contains triancontanol, a natural growth stimulant that boosts plant health. As alfalfa pellets break down, they release this compound, gently encouraging stronger roots and bigger yields. Earthworms help distribute triancontanol throughout the soil, amplifying its benefits. But remember, less is more. A light sprinkling of pellets is all you need. Too much can overwhelm your plants. The slow-release nature of alfalfa ensures a steady, safe supply of nutrients and growth stimulant. Trust in nature's gentle approach. With patience, you'll see lush, vigorous growth without risk. Let the worms and alfalfa work together for you. Subtle, patient actions yield the best results in gardening. Now let's talk about the power of leaves. Fallen leaves are a gardener's treasure, not a nuisance. Each autumn, nature delivers a free gift right to our doorsteps, an abundance of leaves just waiting to be put to good use. Shredded leaves make an ideal mulch, providing both food and shelter for earthworms. When you shred them, they break down faster, and are less likely to mat together, allowing air and water to reach the soil below. In nature, a layer of leaves protects and feeds soil life. Let's mimic that in our gardens. This natural process creates a thriving ecosystem right beneath our feet, supporting countless beneficial organisms. Shred leaves with a mower or shredder to create a light, fluffy mulch. This makes them easier to spread and helps them decompose more quickly, releasing nutrients into the soil. Spread a generous layer over your beds, around trees, and under shrubs. Don't be afraid to pile it on thick. Nature does the same in the forest, and your garden will benefit from the extra protection. This mulch insulates soil, conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and feeds worms. It also helps regulate soil temperature, keeping roots cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Earthworms pull leaves into their burrows, turning them into nutrient-rich castings. These castings are packed with minerals and organic matter that plants love. Over winter and spring, worms will transform your soil with minimal effort from you. As the leaves break down, they create a rich, dark layer that improves soil structure and fertility. It's free, easy, and incredibly effective. Using what nature provides saves money and reduces waste, all while building healthier soil. Healthy soil starts with organic matter, and leaves are one of the best. They're packed with nutrients and help create the perfect environment for beneficial microbes and insects. Combine leaves with alfalfa for a powerful natural boost. Alfalfa adds extra nitrogen, helping the leaves break down even faster and feeding your soil life. Your worms and your plants will thank you. You'll notice stronger growth, fewer weeds, and a garden that's teeming with life. But how do we keep our worm population thriving long-term? Let's explore the next steps to ensure your garden stays healthy and full of life year after year. Attracting worms is just the start. Keeping them happy is key. Avoid synthetic chemicals. Pesticides and fertilizers can harm earthworms and disrupt soil life. Mulch with organic matter to keep soil moist. Worms need damp conditions to survive. Rotate the types of organic material you add: compost, manure, green manures, to provide a varied diet. Minimize digging and tilling, which can destroy worm burrows and harm the soil structure. Adopt a no-dig or minimal dig approach. Add organic matter to the surface and let worms do the work. A healthy, balanced ecosystem supports a thriving worm population. Protect your underground workforce and they'll reward you with fertile, resilient soil. Simple, organic practices make all the difference. Your garden will flourish when you work with nature, not against it. Now let's wrap up with a final invitation to nurture your living soil. Here's how to get started. Today, we've uncovered the secret world of earthworms, the gardener's greatest ally. They aerate, drain, recycle, and build the very foundation of healthy soil. A garden full of worms is a garden full of life. Use alfalfa pellets and shredded leaves to attract and feed them. Avoid chemicals, keep soil moist, offer a varied diet, and disturb the soil as little as possible. These simple steps create a safe, productive home for your wiggly workforce. Nurture the life beneath your feet and your garden will reward you with abundance. You're not just growing plants, you're cultivating a living ecosystem. Try these methods and watch your garden transform. The humble earthworm is the key to a thriving, vibrant garden. Happy gardening!